Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 3217, read nodes from linked list present in the array, and in this will be given an array of integer nums and the head of a linked list, and we have to return the head of the modified linked list after removing all nodes from the linked list that have a value that exists in nums. But before diving deep into the question, I would like to request everyone of you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, drop a comment, just any random number. Okay, let's just see that how much you know about this video. Drop the questions video number. Oh, sorry. Drop the questions number on LeetCode in the comment section. Okay. So for example, we are having the nums as 1, 2, 3, and the linked list is as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just have to return the nodes 4 and 5 after removing 1, 2, 3 because they are present in the array. Similarly, if we are having nums 1 and the linked list is like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, so we have to return just the node 2, 2, 2 after removing ones from the linked list. Okay, so firstly what we can do is we can add all the values which are present in the nums into a set so that the retrieval will be easier so we don't have to check for like we have to don't have to traverse the area again and again after visiting each node. Okay, so firstly let's have a set of integer, let's call it visited, that is equal to new hash set, and now we'll just fill this hash set. For that we'll traverse in num, that for int num and nums visited dot add num. Okay, now next what we'll have to do is be keeping a track of the nodes, so we'll have a pref pointer and the current pointer. So for that let's have a dummy node, dummy, so that is equal to new list node -1, and let's have two pointers which are prev. uh, oh sorry, firstly let's just update the next point of the dummy as well. I'll be updating the dummy dot next, that will be equal to head, and then I'll be pointing to prev equal to dummy, and current pointer equal to head. Okay, so now while my current exists, which means basically that means while my current is not equal to null, I'll be checking that if visited dot contains current dot val, so I'll be just skipping that particular node, so I'll be doing prev dot next is equal to current dot next, else I'll just be moving my prev pointer to current node, and I'll be moving my current equal to current dot next, and at the end I'll just return dummy dot next. Okay, now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. I gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.